Throughout the centuries, Phimai has played an integral role as a conduit and melting pot for various cultures and peoples across Southeast Asia. Through this intersection, different influences shaped the area's identity and contributed to the unique nature of Phimai's heritage, from its architecture to its art. The archaeological history of Phimai is a critical site for anyone studying the evolution of culture and civilization in Southeast Asia. It is an area rich of history, and it continues to foster meaningful research and dialogue among scholars worldwide. As an artist and an archaeologist, Phimai certainly impressed me, and these are some photos that I took. I have so much more archaeology and history to share with you all, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to sharing some more very shortly. Enjoy!